Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I would like to share with you how I make this delicious, super easy, tasty shrimp sauce and white rice.
I have some medium cooked shrimp in the bowl. Then you can also check the description for more ingredients. Then I'll put the list in the description below. Please remember to check that. Come along with me as I will share with you step by step in preparing this delicious sauce. If you are interested, please remember to hit the like button on this video and do not forget to subscribe. However, let's start cooking. I'm going to add my diced onions into this cooking oil. Then I'll stir it a little bit. Add my already diced tomatoes. Then I'll combine the onions and the tomatoes before adding my already chopped habanero. Please remember to check the description for the ingredients. There will be more information that you need in the description. Cooking with diced tomatoes, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the canned diced tomatoes or you prefer dicing your tomatoes from the scratch? Let me know in the comment section. I want to know that. I'm going to add some habanero, already sliced habanero.
Then we are going to allow this to cook for a couple of minutes, for 2 to 3 minutes, before starting adding our ingredients like a thyme leaf. But this thing really smells good before adding all that. So now I'm going to add our thyme leaf, some little amount, like half a spoon, into this. Then before adding black pepper. Now I'll add half a teaspoon of black pepper into this before stirring it together. Please remember to hit the like button on this video. However, we are going to stir this and let it cook for a couple of 2 minutes so the spice will combine with the sauce before adding other spice. I'm going to add some shrimp into this soup. You can as well use a fresh shrimp to prepare this sauce. Anyhow you want it is fine, but I'm going to combine the shrimp with the sauce to give it the shrimp taste. Oh my god, this really smells good. Actually, you really need some touch of water into this sauce, but being the tomato is fresh, you don't need to add any water into it because the tomatoes are already giving us some amount of water. So that is all we need for now to cook everything we need. So after stirring this, I'm going to add some Knorr seasoning into this before adding some pinch of salt to give it a nice taste. Actually, I really like adding salt with my hand into my food because, as my people always say, they said all hands are different while cooking. It might be the same size of ingredients, but the taste will come out different because of your hand. Our rice is cooked now. It's time for us to start dishing. Let's check our soup. If the soup is ready, then we'll go straight to the eating part of it. Oh, our soup is ready. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button on this video so to get updated on my new recipe. Now I'm going to add my shrimp sauce on this. Oh my god, why is this shrimp going somewhere? It doesn't matter, we are going to eat everything. So I'm going to add some sauce on top of this. You can see how it looks. It really smells good and it will taste really good. Thanks for watching my video. Please remember to check the box over here for more recipe, and I'll put some link of different recipe in the description below. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe after trying it. I'll always be there in the comment section to answer any of your questions. Please let's hang out there. So for more details on this recipe or any of my recipe, you can as well check this puff recipe and jollof rice recipe. You can as well check my fried rice recipe and this delicious egg, potato and tomatoes recipe. Please do not forget to check this box for more delicious recipe. I guess I will see you all in my next recipe.